Let's discover together how to prepare a delicious apple crumble with a crunchy topping and a soft, fruity heart, enriched with chopped almonds and a wonderful hint of cinnamon. Ingredients: 4 Granny Smith apples or a similar variety that's slightly tart, the juice of 1 lemon, 150 grams of brown sugar, 100 grams of flour, 80 grams of cold butter, 50 grams of chopped almonds, a pinch of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, 20 milliliters of Vin Santo, optional for an Italian twist, and vanilla ice cream or custard to serve, also optional. Start by peeling the apples and cutting them into cubes. Place them in a bowl, add the lemon juice, half of the brown sugar, and, if you wish, the Vin Santo. Mix well and let macerate for a few minutes. In another bowl, mix the rest of the sugar with the flour, chopped almonds, cinnamon, and salt. Add the cold butter in pieces to the flour mixture and use your fingers to work it until the dough has the texture of coarse crumbs. Pour the apples and their juice into a baking dish and spread them out evenly. Spread the butter and flour mixture over the apples, covering them completely. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes, or until the surface is golden and crispy. Let the apple crumble rest for a few minutes before serving, accompanied by vanilla ice cream or custard for a touch of coolness and creaminess. To stay up to date on new delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit our website. Apple crumble is an excellent example of how the crispiness of the topping pairs perfectly with a soft heart of fruit, almonds, and spices for a dessert that will win you over at the first taste.